Okay, we will discuss about invoice price method. What is the invoice? Means cost plus some amount, cost plus some profit. Means consignor sending goods more than its prices, more than its prices. It is called invoice price method. Here also invoice price method means may send it at higher price than the cost price. Than the cost price. This price is known as invoice price. This price is known as invoice price. Okay, what is the main intention of consignor to send an invoice price? Means the main intention to consignor is that to hide or conceal actual profit. Actual profit. So consignee and asking and higher commission at the higher profitable position. ప్రాఫిట్ ఎక్కువ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, కన్సైనీ కూడా ఏం చేస్తాడంటే ఎక్కువ కమిషన్ అడుగుతాడు. కాబట్టి ద కన్సైనర్ ఈజ్ అండ్ ప్లే ద టెక్నిక్, యూజ్ ద టెక్నిక్ అండ్ ఇన్వాయిస్ ప్రైస్ మెథడ్. ఇన్వాయిస్ ప్రైస్ మెథడ్. సో సపోజ్ and cost is 10,000 rupees. So in the problem they are given 20% above cost. Above cost. It nothing but and 10,000 plus 20%. So 10,000 rupees into 20 by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. Nothing but 2,000 rupees extra. And invoice price is equal and 10,000 plus 2,000, nothing but 12,000 rupees is invoice price. 12,000 rupees is invoice price. Means some extra profit is added, some amount is added. The price system is called invoice price method. Invoice price method. And what is the intention to send consignor goods on invoice price method? To conceal, to hide the actual profit position of the consignment. Actual position of the consignment. That is the main intention of the consignor. So they are sending and cost plus some profit, cost plus some amount. In two ways. Invoice price is equal to cost plus some percentage, cost plus some amount. They are sending in two ways. Cost plus some percentage, cost plus some amount, whatever it may be. In two ways they are sending and more than its actual prices. It is called and invoice price method. Invoice price method. So invoice price method, it is a technique and applied by the consignor to conceal, to hide the actual profit. అంటే యాక్చువల్ ప్రాఫిట్ తెలియకుండా ఉండడం కొరకు చేసే ఒక ప్రయత్నమే ఇన్వాయిస్ ప్రైస్ మెథడ్. ఓకే, సపోజ్ ఇన్వాయిస్ ప్రైస్ మెథడ్, హియర్ ఆల్సో ఇన్వాయిస్ ప్రైస్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ప్లస్ సమ్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఆర్ ప్రాఫిట్, సమ్ ప్రాఫిట్ ఆర్ అమౌంట్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి. ఇన్ టూ వేస్ ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్. ఇన్వాయిస్ ప్రైస్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ కాస్ట్ ప్లస్ సమ్ పర్సంటేజ్, cost plus some amount, whatever it may be, in two ways. Suppose this is the first method, 10,000 rupees plus 20% above cost, 20% above cost. So and you have to calculate 10,000 20%, it become 2,000, 2,000 plus 10,000, invoice price is 12,000 rupees. This is the first mode of invoice price style. Second mode of invoice style is, here cost price is 300 rupees but invoice price is 400 rupees they are sending. This is the another way of and techniques. This is another way of techniques. This is one way of technique, cost plus 20% above cost, 20% above cost. So this is the one technique. Another one is cost price is also given in the problem, invoice price is also given in the problem. Both are given in the problem. So invoice price may be asking either this way, whatever it may be, in two ways. So this is the invoice price. But and as per the accounting concept, cost concept, any transaction should not be enter more than it cost. That purpose, what are the amount excess in goods and on consignment, that will be, and cancellation purpose, that should be record on the credit side of the consignment. Suppose goods and on consignment always appear in the debit side of the consignment account. Now, and as per this entry, it will be credited in the and consignment. It means, suppose what are the excess amount is sending 2000 rupees. So 2000 rupees and right here and 2000 rupees right here. It is nothing but for cancellation purpose. Suppose 10,000 plus 2000, it is 12,000 rupees. But 2000 rupees is and credit side of the consignment you have to record. Then the actual cost is also 10,000 rupees. There is no and change in the and profit. But as per and feeling and compare with cost with profit, sales price with profit, whatever it may be. So it is another way. This is the entry. What is the excess amount is sending goods and on consignment. For that purpose, adjusting, it will be recorded on the credit side by goods and on consignment. Excess ఏదైతే రాసామో దాని క్యాన్సిలేషన్ చేయడం కొరకు దీన్ని గూడ్స్ అండ్ ఆన్ కన్సైన్మెంట్ ఎక్కడ చూపిస్తామంటే కన్సైన్మెంట్లో క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ చూపిస్తాం. అంటే అల్టిమేట్గా 12,000 నుంచి 2000 క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే యాక్చువల్ పొజిషన్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది, మనకు 10,000 రూపీసే కన్సైన్మెంట్లో ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ fulfill and cost concept and base. So another one is, suppose excess in goods and on consignment is already included. In the same way, and excess in closing stock is also including the and closing stock value. Why? Because and closing stock value must be calculated as per the invoice price, either 4,400 rupees or 12,000 rupees, whatever it may be. Closing stock is also calculate invoice price in closing stock also as per and invoice price. So and excess in goods and on consignment and also including in closing stock value also excess. So this and must be recorded on the debit side consignment. Why? Because goods and on consignment excess is for cancellation purpose, it will be recorded on the consignment credit side, and excess in closing stock cancellation purpose, the entry will be recorded on the debit side of the consignment account. So and consignment stock or unsold stock in and consignment will appear on credit side. So credit side ఎక్కువగా ఉంది కాబట్టి క్రెడిట్ సైడ్లో ఉన్నదాన్ని ఎక్సెస్లో ఉన్నదాన్ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడ రాయాలంటే డెబిట్లో రాయాలి. Credit side excess in closing stock, excess amount for cancellation purpose, that should be recorded on the debit side. This is the closing stock, excess amount is cancellation purpose, it will be recorded on the debit side. మళ్ళొకసారి నండి, గూడ్స్ అండ్ ఆన్ కన్సైన్మెంట్లో 12,000 రూపీస్ పంపించామంటే 2,000 రూపీస్ ఎక్సెస్ ఉంది గూడ్స్ అండ్ ఆన్ కన్సైన్మెంట్లో. దీన్ని క్యాన్సిలేషన్ చేయడం కొరకు ఎక్కడ రాస్తామంటే క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ రాస్తాము. ఏమని రాస్తామంటే బై గూడ్స్ అండ్ ఆన్ కన్సైన్మెంట్ అంటాం. అంటే దీన్ని ఐపీ మైనస్ సిపి అంటాం. అంటే ఐపీ ఎంత 12,000 రూపీస్ అండ్ సిపి అంటే కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఎంతంటే 10,000 రూపీస్. డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత అంటే 2,000 రూపీస్. ఈ 2,000 రూపీస్ని కన్సైన్మెంట్ అకౌంట్లో క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ రాస్తాం. రాయడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే క్యాన్సిలేషన్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఇక్కడ ఎక్సెస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు అల్టిమేట్గా క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్ కూడా ఎక్సెస్ ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకు క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్లో ఎక్సెస్ ఉంటుంది అంటే వీఆర్ క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్ అన్సోల్డ్ స్టాక్ వాల్యూ యాజ్ పర్ ద ఇన్వాయిస్ ప్రైస్. సో it is also calculate closing stock at invoice price, so it is also including excess amount, and per cancellation of and excess amount in closing stock, and it will be record on the debit side. What is the excess amount in closing stock? That should be record on the consignment account debit side. It is only for cancellation purpose. Next, and already we have discussed about invoice price are given in two ways: cost price plus percentage. Cost price plus invoice price. In two ways they are given in the problem. Okay. Just like in this way they are asking the problem. Cost plus percentage above cost, especially problem in the problem. And goods sent on consignment cost is 20,000. It is 20% above cost అంటాడు అన్నప్పుడు ఈ విధంగా రాయడం జరుగుతుంది. సమ్టైమ్స్ మేబీ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ బట్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఆన్ సేల్స్ ప్రైస్ అంటాడు, పర్సంటేజ్ ఆన్ సేల్స్ ప్రైస్ అంటాడు, అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ బీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ అండ్ యాజ్ పర్ ద రూల్. ఓకేనా, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద కన్సైన్మెంట్ ఇన్వాయిస్ ప్రైస్ మెథడ్. సింపుల్ వే, ఉన్న వాల్యూ కన్నా ఎక్కువ పంపించడం, కాస్ట్ ప్లస్ సమ్ పర్సంటేజ్, కాస్ట్ ప్లస్ సమ్ అమౌంట్. ఇక 300 రూపీస్ ఉంది, 400 రూపీస్ పంపిస్తున్నాడు. ఇక 10,000 రూపీస్ అన్నాడు, 20% అబోవ్ కాస్ట్ అన్నాడు. 20% క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తే 2,000, 2,000 ప్లస్ 10,000, 12,000 రూపీస్ ఈజ్ గూడ్స్ సెంట్ ఆన్ కన్సైన్మెంట్ కాస్ట్. సో అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇన్ ద consignment account with a example problem. This is the consignment account. Particulars amount. Consignment account. Okay, problem is only problem. Suppose this is the problem and 20% of the above cost goods sent on consignment cost is 10,000 rupees. Invoice price 20% above cost. This is the first one. Consignor expenses 5,000 rupees. Consignee expenses 2,000 rupees. Sale 4/5 at 30,000. Next, this is the problem. Goods sent on consignment is and 10,000 rupees. Price is 20% above cost. Consignor expenses 5,000 rupees. Consignee expenses 2,000 rupees. Sales 4/5 is 30,000 rupees. This is the problem. So goods sent on consignment. Okay, already we are discussed 10,000 at the rate of 20%, 2,000 rupees plus 10,000 rupees, 12,000 rupees goods sent on consignment. This is the invoice price mode. 2,000 rupees X amount plus actual amount is 10,000, total amount 12,000 rupees goods sent on consignment. So consignor expenses, you know the consignor expenses, cash 5,000 rupees. Consignee expenses, so consignee here and B, assume that B is the consignee, so B account amount is 2,000 rupees. Next, by consignee name B account 30,000 rupees sales. Next, suppose 5% commission. 5% commission means 30,000. B account per commission 30,000 at the rate of 5%. 0, 0, 0, 0. 1,500 rupees commission. Remember one thing. What is the actual cost? 10,000 rupees, but they are spending it 2,000 rupees excess amount. What is the excess amount? 2,000 is excess amount. So as per this one, goods sent on consignment account data to consignment account. As per this problem, being the loading is adjusted, excess in goods sent on consignment adjusted. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ పంపించిన 2,000 రూపీస్ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేయడం కొరకు ఈ ఎంట్రీ ప్రకారం దీన్ని ఇక్కడ రాస్తాం. బై గూడ్స్ సెంట్ ఆన్ కన్సైన్మెంట్, నథింగ్ బట్ ఐపీ మీన్స్ ఇన్వాయిస్ ప్రైస్ మైనస్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్. అంటే ఇన్వాయిస్ ప్రైస్ ఈజ్ 12,000 రూపీస్, కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఈజ్ 10,000 rupees. What is the amount? And 2,000 rupees is for cancellation excess in goods sent on consignment. 2,000 is excess is sending at invoice price. For 2,000 cancellation purpose, it will be recorded this side as per this entry. Okay, you must calculate unsold stock value. Unsold stock value, and as per the invoice price, unsold stock cost. Unsold stock cost. What is the total invoice price? 12,000 rupees into what is the proportion? 4/5 is the proportion, means nothing but 1/5 is the unsold stock proportion. మొత్తం 5 షేర్స్ ఉన్నట్లయితే దాంట్లో 4 షేర్స్ అనేవి సేల్ చేశారు అంటే రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 1/5 ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ₹12,000 అంటే నియర్లీ 12,000 rupees by 5. 5 1 जा, 5 2 जा 10, ఇంకెంత ఉంటుంది? 20 ఉంటుంది. 5 4 जा అంటే 2,400 rupees is and cost. Cross check them. 2,400 into 5, 5 0 0 0 0, 5 4 ja 20 0, 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 2, 12,000 rupees. So and unsold stock cost is 2,400 plus consignor expenses. You know the consignor expenses as per the proportion of 5,000 rupees 1/5, nothing but 1,000 rupees is consignor expenses. Consignee expenses non-recurring no ఇక్కడ లేవు కాబట్టి డాష్. టోటల్ అమౌంట్ 3,400 rupees. 3,400 rupees. What is the excess in goods sent on consignment? What is the excess in closing stock? Okay, compare both one. As per invoice price, unsold stock 2,000 3,400 rupees. Suppose as per cost price As per cost price, you have to calculate. You have to calculate as per the cost price. As per cost price, unsold stock value. Unsold stock cost 10,000 rupees into 1 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 2,000 rupees. Plus consignor expenses 5,000 rupees at the rate of 1 by 5. Nothing but 1,000 rupees. Total 3,000 rupees. This is the goods sent on consignment unsold stock value. What is the difference between 3,400 and 3,400 and 3,400 rupees? It should be recorded on the debit side. It nothing but excess in closing stock value. This is the as per invoice price. This is the as per cost price. So what is the difference between 3,400 and 3,400 rupees excess in goods, excess in closing stock? So excess in closing stock will be recorded on the debit side. Why? Because by consignment stock account 3,400 rupees. What is the excess in closing stock? 400 rupees. For 400 rupees cancellation purpose, as per this entry, consignment account data to stock reserve account. So to stock reserve account. Nothing but 3,400 minus 3,000 rupees and 400 rupees excess in closing stock. Excess in goods sent on consignment for cancellation purpose right here. Excess in closing stock cancellation purpose 400 rupees right here. This is the only change in consignment account. Otherwise remaining all are same. This is invoice price and method preparing the consignment account. Profit and other all remaining same, only changes here only, changes here only, all are remaining same. Here cost plus some amount. What is the excess amount is right here. It will be cancellation purpose, you have to write on the credit side.